Seven solution. We're working the Linux tips and tricks and cloud and devils. This subscribes our channel. Thanks. Today we'll see how to download Ubuntu 20 from one and installation. This image download where just click here, file, download. Where I go download, we are already download this file just now in your installation. We're working in the VMware workstation. Now click new VMware virtual box. Next. Linux. Ubuntu. Just to the B, you can next. You can here is increase your memory, but I have this net recommended it, but recommended it. Get a WhatsApp. Next 20 GB. You can go 50 GB or 100 GB or 50 GB. It's just I have to next finish. Now let's go to our just CD-ROM. Click here. ISO file, browse, download here, open it. Okay, just power this virtual machine. Now start your Ubuntu. It took some time. Yeah, our this person is coming. Just installation. Click here. Continue. I just select go to this normal installation. Then download. We can download this and installation. Others, but you have to but I have to select this because I have many tool I needed. That's you have to download. Minimal installation, but we have not minimal installation. Just continue. Installation. Just here installation. Click. Just a minute. Yeah, continue. Now just our version select and continue. Name. You can your name, but So here password, but here you can here click this when it's logging, just automatically logging, but you can not automatically logging, then this is selected, but I have selected you can automatically logging, but security purpose you can require the password change login. It is sometime this process completed, just wait. Hey, let's finishing. Just restart now. Just enter. Yes. Hey, just thanks. Finish our progress. Just escape. Next. Done. Looking in scratches. The display setting. We can have setting sense and background image. That is image. You can change it. On network is terminal. Network is done. Distance. Installation is done and also is done. Thanks for watching. Please keep more.